So, there was a big party on club. 4 parties. So, they excited to queens, kings, and jacks go into the club and let's dance. So, they, So, here's they are here. So, they were going to the club, and there was just dancing. So there was just split it out and go. They was just go dancing on the clubs. Woohoo! They was lost. They was thinking about where are we? Oh, whose club we are in? So they was lost. They just was shuffled. And a lot of people. So party 2. The music too, I think. Yes. There was also dancing, and we don't know where they are. Holy shit! Dancing, 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 dancing. Oh shit! They don't know where they are. So they was. Oh shit! Where they are? Oh no! Oh no! So they was dancing, 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 dancing. Whoa, they don't know where they are. Oh man, that was horrible. Oh man, they was lost in the club. It was somewhere in the people. Oh no. The last time. The last party. So, we're back in the home. And back in the home. Jacks, queens, and the kings was back in sweet home. Bye, and see you next time. And how to get the prizes if I win some of the decks. Miss Mag, please tell me. Bye.